Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi everyone, here it is given. Water is to be boiled in coffee maker at sea level, pressure 1 atmosphere. In time interval of 25 minutes, half water evaporates. We have to calculate power rating of heater. And time required to boil the water. Power rating is defined as power rating into time interval is equal to mHFC. So power rating of heater you will get mass is given 0.5, specific heat is 2256.4 kilojoule per kg, and this is in kg upon, let me write it properly, 0.5 kg divided by time interval, that is given 25 minutes, so 25 into 60 seconds, so it is to be 0.752 kilowatts. Time required to boil the water, delta T is equal to mc delta T upon power rating of heater. Mass is 1 kg, specific heat 4.18 kilojoule per kg per degree Celsius. This is also in kg. Into temperature increase 100 minus 18 divided by 0.752 kilowatt. So it is to be 456 seconds. And if you want to give in minute, it would be 7.60 minutes. That's all. Thanks for watching it.